Well, ma'am, respected Director Sir Sudeep Patel Sir, respected Director Sir Dhirendra Agarwal Ji, all the other dignitaries, respected teachers and my dear students. A very good morning to everyone. No energy level I am able to see. A very good morning to everyone. That's it. So I wish all of you a happy Republic Day. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate 75th Republic Day. And it's a big, I should say it's my privilege to welcome all of you on this historical event, I should say. I would like to introduce our chief guest in brief. Mrs. Renuka Agarwal ma'am, she is a renowned social worker. She is working continuously for the development of the welfare of the society. So big round of applause for our chief guest once more. We had our special guest, Mr. Raman Bhai Patel ji, but due to busy schedule, he could not attend the program. But at least he accepted our kind invitation to become the part of the flag hosting. So give a big round of applause to our special guest, Raman Bhai Patel ji also. Children, you must be aware about today's day. Today is 26th January, Republic Day. We are celebrating as a Republic Day throughout the country, and it is our 75th Republic Day celebration. So you must be aware about it, what happened on this day. Your teachers might have told you what happened on this day. I think everyone is aware about it? Okay. I'm just recalling, our constitution has come in the effect on this day in the year 1950. Is it right? Okay. So in this constitution, two important aspects are given. And those two important aspects are our fundamental rights and fundamental duties. So we are more aware about our fundamental rights. Usually we consider about we have this much right, I have to do this is my right, I have to right of equality, I can adopt this religion, etc. So the rights are mentioned, but at the same time fundamental duties are equally important. So sometimes we ignore our fundamental duties. Like you must be aware about the fundamental duties, but as a part of the students, you are being the students, what should be your duties along? You have to always, obviously you have to follow the fundamental duties. But what are your duties being a student? As you are the future citizens of the country, so what are your duties? So first of all, you have to contribute in the progress of the nation. And how you can contribute in the progress of the nation? So obviously, first of all, you have to study very hard. You have to be disciplined in your life, not only in the school, in the life. You have to inculcate all types of moral and social values. You have to incorporate your scientific temperament, logical thinking, etc. These all qualities will help you to progress further. And I have seen in the last week itself, when we had conducted art and science exhibition, so more than 70% students have contributed from nursery to 9th class. You might have seen in the newspaper also. Very soon you'll be able to see in the social media also. So big round of applause for our talented students also once. So if you have that talent, then you have to utilize that talent in the future as well. So as I told, you have to inculcate all the moral values, social values, you have to be in the discipline, then definitely you will be able to contribute effectively in the progress of the nation. Because as you see, from the last 20 years, we have seen the tremendous change in the technology in the field of education, digitalization, etc. in our country. But still we have to go along, because there are so many other countries also, we are behind those, all from those countries. we have the talent, we have to utilize the talent, and I hope all the students of RD Public School will contribute effectively in the progress of the nation. Am I right? I am seeing you in future engineers, doctors, entrepreneurs, businessmen, and I should say good social worker. Some of you may go in the defense services also. So for these all things, what you have to do, the qualities which I mentioned you, obviously you have to excel in the academics as well as you have to excel in your character also. So on this day, again, I wish you a happy Republic Day and hope you will be able to inculcate all such qualities in you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
हिंदुस्तान जैसे इतने बड़े देश में भी हम सब ने अपना एक छोटा सा कोना पकड़ा हुआ है। ये तेरा, ये मेरा, इस चक्कर में ढेरों बाउंड्रीज बनाई हुई है। इंडिया आजाद हो गया है, हम भी खुद के इन बॉर्डर्स से एक बार फ्री होके देख लेते हैं।
तू दिल है मेरा, तू जान मेरी, तू देश मेरा, तू माँ है मेरी।
What a